What's up, guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, cat, dog, wild animal, whatever it is you identify as. Welcome to my channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and today I will walk you through the rebuild process of this 2012 Dodge Charger SE. The bumper and the grill looks like it's holding on for its dear life. Let's see if I can save it. I'll be replacing the two fenders and the headlights, as those are completely bent out of shape. In addition to the build, you might want to stick around to find out where the power steering pump is located and how to add power steering fluid to it. I hope you find this video very informative and entertaining at the same time. If so, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button with notifications turned on for more content. Enough of that, let's get to it. Most of y'all already know the routine. This is when the violation starts. When I strip the front end and leave it butt ass naked, ready for new parts, ones that I will recycle. Somebody get him an underwear towel or something, man. He is naked. Now time to start putting this thing back together, starting with the fenders. The hood. Radiator support. I said in the beginning I will see if I can save this dime front bumper and grill. Let's see if I can make it happen. The headlights. Now that most of the parts are already in, we got a new issue. I can barely turn the steering wheel. Power steering is completely shot. One thing to check for is make sure there's fluid in it or the power steering pump is gone. No power steering. That sucks. Hold up. Time out. Who is a genius at Dodge that decided this was the best location to hide the power steering pump? With all the space available in the hood compartment, they decided to tuck this in behind the wheel well. So when you need to top up the fluids, you would have to either remove the front bumper like this, or remove the wheel well and the wheel cover and the wheel. Not a very smart idea if you ask me. If you're just looking to top off the fluids, just take the wheel off and there should be a small access panel and the wheel well cover that you can easily pry open with a flathead screwdriver to gain access. But if you need to replace the pump, the bumper gotta come off. Yeah, buddy, told y'all I was gonna bring that bumper and grill back to life. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Peace.